Hi, what's up, brothers and sisters? And today I want to do a review on the Eicaus 10-inch ring light. And I got it from Amazon, and it comes in this box. Came in this box. The inside looks like this. So first I'm going to take out the ring light. No, first I'm going to take out the tripod to stand for the ring light. And it comes in this pouch. It's fairly small compared to like my other tripod that I have, but which is a good thing. So I'm going to undo this. That comes in plastic. And it's like this. This cost about what, $29, and I got this because I thought it was pretty sturdier than the other one I got, so that's why I got this one. And now let me show you guys the ring light. Okay, so the ring light is in this bubble wrap stuff, I guess, to really protect it. It's 10 inches. Here's the instruction manual, just in case anybody was wondering if they had one, because I just bought something and they didn't have an instruction manual. So it says the digital settings on it. Let's see if we can focus that. Okay, the power button, the increase in different what's it called, like settings, and decrease in this. I don't know what this is, but yeah, and there's things. Oh, and another box was in here, and you can also use it as a phone ring light to use for your phone. Using this, so you would this part. So you would screw I don't see why there's two screws. We're gonna figure this out together, guys. So I think you would screw it onto here, right? And just like that. And then you can change the direction. Oh my goodness, it's not focusing. And then you can use the back part to unscrew this to change the direction you want your thing to go in. Oh, come on, focus for me. And then you can change it back, of course. I'm gonna screw that back tight and straight. Oh, this is the wrong way. Okay. And I'm guessing this top part, yes, I'm guessing this top part is to like expand it and make it wider for the size of your phone. See how it's getting wider? And then the thing is, yeah, turn it back up. I don't use a phone. When I'm filming, I use my camera, so it's not really going to be convenient for me. Unless I don't know, my camera breaks or something. It's fine. So I'm going to set this up. And it comes with a remote. It comes with a remote which I'm going to use for this too, that you can use for iOS and you can use for Android. And a plug. Alright, so now I'm going to screw this onto the tripod. Oh. And there's a knob that you can tighten below. You don't have to twist it around. Let me see if I can zoom in on the knob. There's this little knob that you can twist right here. And you don't have to turn this around because you could just twist the knob instead, which I find really convenient. Okay. And now I'm gonna plug it in. Or I'm gonna extend this first. Extend each of these. Okay. I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. Okay, so now I'm gonna plug this in and turn it on and see if it's good. And then I'm gonna turn the light. Then I'm gonna turn the light on and plug it in and see if it's okay. And then I'm turning the light on and hook this camera up to this. Only if I could show two-way point of view. I'm gonna do that and show you how it looks from the two different points of views, because I think that's pretty important. Okay, and then the port and then the port is on the side of the port is on the side of the thing, and I just hook. So I just plug it in like that. And now I'm gonna plug it in. Okay. Now it has this blue light that lets the indicators on, and I'm gonna press the power button. Can y'all see it? Okay. Look at it. If I do it from my point of view, this is really bright. Okay. Oh. And now I'm going to put the camera on top of here. I'm gonna use my phone to show me screwing my camera in on here so you guys can see. But this is how it looks when the camera is not on top of the ring light, but right next to the ring light. I'm gonna show you guys on my phone. This is the side by side. Okay, so you guys seen side by side, so I'm gonna change it and do when I put it right on top of the ring light. Okay, I'll be back. And try to use it, put it on here. This lens is too big. It seems like. So it looks like it won't go. The lens is too big. I might have to take the lens off and then screw it on that way, and then take it back off. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have to take the lens off, and I'm gonna try to do it without the lens because it won't fit that way. So I'm gonna tighten this. We'll put my lens back on. So I got the camera on. You can put a big camera on here like this. The lens is really big too. So I'm gonna show you how it is on this camera's perspective. Okay, so guys, I do want to add that you actually will have to twist the camera around a little bit and then tighten it down with the bottom part. So if you don't like the fact that you might have to do that, and it's gonna be a little struggle to do that because this ring light is not that big, as a 10-inch. So I would suggest you get a bigger ring light. But if it's no problem, you're like, it's just whatever, then I recommend this one, because I'm still able to film off of this big camera. So yeah, I just wanted to add that in there. Okay, I'm back, guys, and I've got my camera mounted onto this tripod. Honestly, I feel like this tripod is a little bit too flimsy for me because it's on an angle. But what I can really do is just screw this tripod onto my other tripod that's more sturdy, and I feel like it'll be just fine that way too. So you don't have to use this tripod. Like, you could just use your own tripod and it should work fine, because all you gotta do is, you know, mount that onto there. And then another thing is, oh, let's try the color setting. So this is really bright. I have sensitive eyes. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but if it's gonna give me good lighting and you guys gonna like it, then that should be, I should probably deal with it. But I'm gonna press the plus button. I'm pressing the plus button. Oh, okay. That was on the maximum. So that was on the maximum. This is the maximum brightness. Brightness down. A brightness down. Brightness down, brightness down, brightness down, another brightness down. So it has multiple different settings. That's like at least 8 different settings. And I could change the tone. So this is, I'm gonna put on the highest one so you guys can see the different colors. And this is the warm one. This is the clear, the white one. This is like more of a bluish tone, I feel like. This is more of a bluish tone, actually. So it gets bluer, and it has an orange tone. I'm gonna cut the light off so you guys can see. So the light is off in my room. This is the orange tone. This is the clear tone. This is a slight blue tone. This is a bluer tone. This is the bluer tone, the bluest tone of it, the white bluest tone, and then it goes back to that. So what else? So I like this. I really do like this ring light. I like that it's like you could touch it and then it changes the settings for you. The tripod is okay. It's just that it's not as sturdy. Like, I have a tripod that's more sturdier than that, and I feel like literally I could just screw this ring light onto what's it called, onto my tripod that's way more sturdier, and get good results that way. But it has some type of protective barrier on it, so I think that's the reason why. But you don't have to use this tripod. You can use your own tripod, mount the ring light onto there, and then be fine. And if you have a bigger camera like I do, it can work for the bigger camera too. And you can mount your phone onto there too with the phone thing. So you can use this for cameras, and so you can tighten your phone onto this using this thing that comes with it. Screw this onto the ring light mount, and you have a phone holder for you. So if you use your phone, you can use your phone with this ring light, and you have a camera, you can use the camera with this ring light. So I really like it. I'll change the shade. I really like it, and I will be using this for my future YouTube videos. But this is how it looks dark though. Like, if my room is pitch black, only thing that's on is this ring light, and you can see how bright it gets and how bright it is. Just the different settings and stuff like that. I think I like this one. I don't know. This is more blue. I don't like the blue ones like that. I like the orange one is pretty good, and this one is pretty good. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you like it. If you have any questions about the ring light, please feel free to comment, because I'll answer your questions to the best of my ability and stuff like that. There's more videos to come. I'm starting to become more consistent on YouTube, so I hope you guys really like this video. And give me, I say, constructive criticism. Please feel free to give me constructive criticism and how let me know how to make my videos better. I really would appreciate that also. Yeah. Bye guys, have a nice day, and I just want you to know that you are loved. And yeah, peace.